Motivation is easy to find, but hard to keep. It's there with every New Year's resolution and every swimsuit season. Then it's gone. That's why Curves created Curve Smart.
They came out with this Curve Smart thing, which is incredible because since I've been on that, I've lost, I think, 6% body fat.
It's like having your own personal trainer.
Curve Smart is a 30-minute workout designed to keep you motivated like never before. Only at Curves.
If Curve Smart wasn't there, I don't think I would have the same results as I do now.
It gives you that extra push to do it.
First, Curve Smart is programmed with your body's information, then assesses your level of fitness based on your strength to customize your goals. Curve Smart acts as a personal coaching system, giving you moment-by-moment feedback to keep you working at your peak. The green light lets you know you're working at the right intensity for you, based on your goals.
There's something about getting that green light, it totally focuses your workout.
It automatically adjusts to your body, so you stay challenged. The stronger you become, the more demanding your workout, so you stay consistently motivated.
It motivates you so much.
It really keeps you on track.
It's almost like having a trainer that's right over you.
If you miss a few workouts, it will adjust to make sure you get back to your peak in no time. Then, detailed progress reports show muscle strength, calories burned, and how close you are to your goal.
Seeing those reports definitely helps me because then I know what I need to, work on.
I'm able to go ahead and see when I'm doing well and where I need to work a little bit harder.
With Curve Smart, I have the opportunity to monitor my progress every single day.
With Curve Smart, you now have the knowledge you need to get the results you want.
I've lost 20 pounds.
My friends have certainly noticed the difference.
In total now I've lost about 80 pounds. See that little line? That never existed.
If you want the workout that motivates you like never before, visit a Curves Club and get Curve Smart today.